guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an everyday makeup look. This look, it's kind of peachy. It's not something I usually wear. I usually wear more neutral, warm, earthy tones, but I don't know, I've been into kind of like more peachy tones, and this is a makeup look I did. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So I didn't record it, but I used my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer as primer. And then I used my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, the dewy one, in Bronze Beige. Then I used my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Light Ivory and put that on my T-zone and under my eyes. To set everything, I used my e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. For my eyes, I'm using the So Jaded palette. It's a Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collaboration. And I'm taking Royal Jewels and using it on my lid as well as my crease. And then I'm taking Eurogem and putting it all over my crease. With a pencil brush, I'm taking the color Jasper and making a little smoky liner. After, I'm taking my Precious and putting a little bit on my brow bone as well as my lid to highlight. And after, I'm taking Royal Jewels and Eurogem as well and putting it on my lower lash line. Finishing off the eyes, I'm taking my eyelash curler and then I'm taking my Big Eagle mascara from Tarte and putting it on my lashes. For bronzer, I'm using my Essence Matte Bronzing Powder in the color 02 Sunny. The blush I'm using, it's my favorite blush, and it's the Wet n Wild Color Icon in the color Mellow White. For highlighter, I'm using the Becca Opal Highlighter. For lip liner, I'm using my Essence Stay 8-Hour Lip Liner in the color So Default. On top of the liner, I'm going to use a lip gloss from the Dream Street collection from ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. And that is all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video.